Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus without garlic. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, or about 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas. Also, have on hand 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. These core components create a delicious, smooth base. For the creamiest hummus, consider removing the skins from your chickpeas. It makes a noticeable difference. Combine the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and olive oil in your food processor. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water to help achieve that light, airy texture. Blend for several minutes, pausing to scrape down the sides until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Since we're skipping garlic, let's explore other delicious flavor enhancers. A half teaspoon of ground cumin is a fantastic addition for warmth. You might also try a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a subtle, savory kick. For a different twist, blend in a 1/4 cup of roasted red peppers. Fresh herbs, like a tablespoon of chopped parsley, also work wonderfully. Once your hummus is perfectly smooth and seasoned, it's ready to serve. Transfer it to a shallow bowl, create a swirl with the back of a spoon, and drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil. A sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley makes a lovely garnish. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain delicious for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.